Take a look at the tiny flash drive sitting in your desk drawer, plugged into your laptop, or hanging from a keychain. It's one of those everyday gadgets we rarely think about until we need to move a few files or back up something important. Despite its small size, it can hold thousands of photos, hours of videos, entire software programs, and countless documents. But have you ever wondered what is actually inside that little plastic or metal case? How does it remember your files even after you unplug it? And why can something no bigger than your thumb store so much information? Today we're opening one up to explore every important part inside and discover how these tiny storage devices became one of the most convenient inventions of the digital age, right here, on History of Simple Things. At first glance, a flash drive doesn't seem very complicated. Most models are simply a USB connector attached to a small casing. Some have a protective cap, while others use a sliding mechanism or swivel cover. But beneath that simple exterior is a carefully designed electronic system. Every component has a specific purpose, and they all work together to safely store your digital information. Unlike older storage devices such as floppy disks or CDs, flash drives contain no moving parts. There are no spinning disks, no lasers, and no tiny mechanical arms reading data. Everything happens electronically, making flash drives faster, quieter, and much more durable. Let's take a look inside. The most recognizable part is the USB connector. This metal plug is what allows the flash drive to communicate with computers, televisions, gaming consoles, printers, and many other devices. Inside the connector are several metal contacts. These carry both electrical power and data signals between the flash drive and the device it's plugged into. Earlier flash drives commonly used USB-A connectors, recognizable by their rectangular shape. Newer models may use USB-C, which is smaller, reversible, and capable of much faster transfer speeds. Although the connector looks simple, it's the gateway through which every photo, video, and document enters and leaves the drive. Once the outer shell is removed, you'll usually find a small green board running through the center. This is the printed circuit board, often called the PCB. Think of it as the flash drive's highway system. Thin copper pathways etched into the board connect all the electronic components together, allowing electricity and digital signals to travel between them. The PCB also provides structural support, keeping every chip securely attached in the correct position. Even though it's only a few millimeters thick, it's the foundation that holds the entire device together. The largest and most important component is the NAND flash memory chip. This is where your files actually live. Every document, song, picture, or movie is stored here as billions of tiny electrical charges inside microscopic memory cells. Unlike computer RAM, which loses its contents when power is removed, NAND flash memory is non-volatile. That means it continues holding information even after you unplug the drive. Modern memory chips are incredibly dense. Manufacturers can fit billions of memory cells onto a chip smaller than a postage stamp. That's why today's flash drives can hold hundreds of gigabytes, or even a full terabyte, while remaining incredibly compact. The development of high-density NAND memory is one of the biggest reasons storage devices have become so much smaller over the past few decades. Next comes the controller chip. If the memory chip is the library, the controller is the librarian. This tiny processor manages nearly everything the flash drive does. When you save a file, the controller decides exactly where the information should be written. When you open that file later, it knows exactly where to find it. It also performs error correction, making sure data remains accurate even if tiny memory cells begin to wear out over time. Another important job is wear leveling. Flash memory has a limited number of write and erase cycles. Instead of repeatedly using the same memory cells until they fail, the controller spreads data across the entire chip, helping extend the drive's lifespan. Without this intelligent management, flash drives would wear out much more quickly. Some flash drives also include a tiny crystal oscillator. This component acts like a precise clock. Electronic circuits need accurate timing, so every instruction happens in the correct order. The crystal oscillator generates a stable electrical pulse that keeps the controller synchronized. It's a small part, but without reliable timing, data transfers could become unstable or corrupted. Scattered around the circuit board are tiny surface-mounted components that are easy to overlook. These include capacitors and resistors. Capacitors help smooth out fluctuations in electrical power, ensuring the chips receive a stable voltage. Resistors control the flow of electricity throughout the circuit. Although they're only a fraction of the size of a grain of rice, these components are essential for keeping everything operating reliably. It's a reminder that sometimes the smallest parts play the biggest roles. When you plug a flash drive into your computer, power immediately flows through the USB connector. The controller chip wakes up and introduces itself to the computer, identifying the drive and reporting its storage capacity. When you copy a file onto the drive, the controller receives the incoming data, organizes it, checks for errors, and stores it inside the NAND flash memory. Later, when you open that same file, the process happens in reverse. The controller locates the stored information, verifies its accuracy, and sends it back through the USB connector to your computer. To you, it feels almost instant. Behind the scenes, millions or even billions of electrical operations are taking place every second. The next time you plug in a flash drive, you'll know there's much more inside than a simple memory chip. It's remarkable that an invention small enough to fit in your pocket can safely preserve years of memories, school projects, creative work, and important documents. The anatomy of a flash drive is proof that modern engineering doesn't always need to be large or complicated to make a huge impact on everyday life. Sometimes the most impressive technology comes in the smallest package. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.